Hello and welcome to another video of Cooking with Sophie
and Sophie.
Today we're making
magic chocolate cake.
In this bowl I've got 4 egg whites and I'm going to whisk them until stiff. Once it's finished it will look like this, and you can try the upside down test to see if it doesn't come out, and if it doesn't, it's ready. So put the egg whites aside. In a new bowl we're adding 4 egg yolks and some sugar. Now we're going to
Now the egg yolks look like this mixed with the sugar.
Now we're adding melted butter and mixing.
Okay, now we're adding half a litre of milk.
Remember to stir it until combined. Now adding 1/3 of the egg white.
And we're going to fold it in.
Carry on adding the egg white and keep on folding it with this metal spoon. Now the mixture is ready, just pour it into a cake tin with some greaseproof paper. Where are we going?
Sorry.
Oh, it's not like a real cake.
Oh, the noises it's making.
I think it needs to be another longer.
To be honest, I don't think it's edible because of the Oh.
We're not gonna.
So, what would your verdict be of this cake?
Terrible.
Terrible. Definitely no.
Don't make this recipe at home, folks.
No.